So the first thing I look at is what part of the business in the next 3 to 5 years will be the most challenging to manage. And that could be different from what it is today. What it is today may be fine tuning the actual widget, right? Making sure the widget's really great, but you're super close to that. And so in 5 years, maybe the issue actually is fulfillment or supply chain or those types of things. And so we really start to think about what will be our most challenging positions over time. And we start to work on those first, because if you're close or there on many things, we've got to make sure that we're projecting for the future. And, back to your comment around how do we know what a great CMO looks like? How do we know what a great VP of supply chain looks like? You've got to get out there and start having conversations. You have to make sure that you are collecting knowledge from other people. And, the way we looked at leadership, even 20 years ago, 10 years ago, further back, the leader was supposed to know everything. The leader was supposed to have all the answers. But in today's world, that's impossible. The world moves too fast. And so you really have to think about, how do I get out there and gain knowledge, gain experience, and talk to people who are experts in that area so I can start to learn what I might want, what might work for my business. But it's really about kind of crowd surfing knowledge to build your capabilities to start to think about what you might want in your business. And in those conversations, you're going to hear a lot of what you think will work, and you're going to hear a lot of what might not work. And both of those things are equally as important as you start to build your talent strategy and who you want to hire for these key positions.